Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel where we dive into the latest tech gadgets. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming reviews. Today we're super excited because we've got our hands on the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Where we're going to do a full unboxing and give you our first impressions. So let's dive into it. Got my trusty Husky box cutter. This thing has seen better days. Alright, let's cut it open and see what we got. Okay. Here's everything that comes in the box, all the features, DJI.com. What we have here? Serial numbers. Alright, let's get it open. Got some ASMR here. The box feels pretty premium. I mean, it's a pretty pricey camera, so I would expect nothing less. Pull tab. Bring the garbage closer. Got some silica gel. Do not eat. Please ignore my phone going off. Got the camera bag. Set that off to the side. What else do we have in here? We have some DJI stickers. Nice. Take a look at that. It's not my first DJI product, but it's my first set of DJI stickers. I'm pretty sure my kids are gonna love this. So I don't have to hide it. Oh wow, that's dope. That is cool. Put that aside. By the way, this video is not sponsored. Paid with this out of my own pocket. And this is, I guess, the QR code for the app and instructions. Quick start guide. Yeah, we'll figure that out on our own. We don't need quick start guides. Let's see what's in this right here. I did get the creator combo, so I believe we get some extra stuff like a mic, battery handle, protective case. Ooh, wide angle lens. So that's where you put the wide angle lens, Black Pro Mist. I don't know if you can see that right in here. Black Pro Mist. Not sure what that is. I don't know, maybe that's a special lens that's inside of the box. Let's cut right to the camera. That's what we're all here for, right? Is that a piece in here? No, probably just a bag. Alright, comes with that carrying case. It's like textured. Feels pretty good. Premium-ish feeling. I was reading reviews online, people were saying that they didn't really like the carrying case. Like the camera didn't feel secure in it. And I see why. because it just sits right there in the carrying case. It's not secure at all. Maybe that's what this is for. Put it in here. If you can figure this out. Maybe put the camera down. Camera down. In case. And then put it in the bag. Yeah, that'll make it more secure. See, that makes more sense. Why would they not just not do that? Whatever. Let's see. Let me take that out. I'm gonna set the camera aside for now, just so we can check out what else is in the bag. Check out the accessories. I'll put this away so nobody gets cut. What else do we have? Okay. Since this is the creator combo, it did come with a wireless DJI mic. Nice. That is dope. And we have, I'm not sure what this is. Let's open it and see. Feels like I guess it's the extra battery handle. Two clips. Put that there. Hopefully you guys can still see. Next we have, oh sweet, a little tripod. Screw in the bottom. That's dope. Just can set it up to stand on its own. What else do we have here? We have, okay, this is the accessory. Let me see what this is. The handle with the 1/4" thread, and the battery handle, also with a 1/4" thread. Probably gonna be using this more often than this. And you got the tripod, the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, carrying case. I believe the charger is in here. Oh, yeah, there's more stuff. The charger, charging cable. Okay, we have the windscreen for the mic. Garbage. And, oh sweet, here we go. We got, I'm assuming that's a lens. And a wide angle lens. Let's take that out for you. Look at that. We have the 15mm wide angle lens. That here. I'm assuming this is the, what is it called? The Black Pro Mist. Alright, I'm not that into, oh no, this is the mic. This is the magnet for the mic, so you can attach it, so it can just hang out on your shirt. You won't have to. Oh, geez, it's a strong magnet. That's dope. If you don't want to clip it to your shirt, just use the magnet. Dope. I'm not sure what the Black Pro Mist thing is. Oh, here's a piece of silica gel. Here you have it. This is everything. Hope you can see all that you get when you order the. This is everything you get when you order the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Take this stuff out. Oh, it has a strap and the windscreen for the mic. Alright everyone, this is everything you get when you order the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Thanks for watching.